Hello, invisible audience, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I regularly do things. Today I'm going to do an art, and I thought it would be fun if my wife joins me. Say hello to my wife.
Hello, my wife.
She's not normally on this YouTube channel, but now she is. And I'm going to draw some things, and she's going to guess what I'm drawing. It won't be hard, because I'm very good at this.
You are a very skilled artist who's put in years of practice.
Yep, so many practices. Alright, let's try and do a straight line. Yep. That's not even where I want it to be.
It's a carrot. Am I winning?
Good start. Let's see here. Oh dear. Oh no, it doesn't even line up. I use a tablet all the time to draw things. Fine. Oh no, I looked away for a second.
I'm gonna break this thing for a second.
Yeah.
Just to say that, like, the entertainment here is not that you're necessarily bad at drawing. Because on paper, like, you can put down the lines you intend to put down.
Yeah.
This is just throwing you for a loop because you're unaccustomed to this.
What is a tablet? Invisible pile. Ah!
You held it down too long.
I just wanted to draw a line. Okay, fine. That'll do. Wait, why did it go like that? That's not where it's supposed to go. There we go. That's slightly better.
It's a middle finger flipping me off.
Wow. You think I would be so rude to you, my wife, as I let you guest on my YouTube channel?
Is it Pikachu?
I'm not done.
Okay.
Maybe it's Pikachu. What's Pikachu?
Oh, that's not a Pikachu. Oh, wait, I thought that was a whisker. I thought that was a Dedenne whisker. We talked about drawing Pokemon. Are we drawing Pokemon?
Maybe. You'll find out when I finish this masterpiece of artwork.
I love that shape. Oh, it looks so squishy. Oh, that's just one really big foot.
No, there's like a little gap here, look.
Yeah, no, the gap indicates where the foot on the left starts.
Oh, sure. It's two really big feet.
Two really big feet.
This might give it away. Does it matter if I push the button on this thing?
Not usually.
Oh.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, I know. I'm beautiful.
So yeah, Pikachu? Pikachu?
No, actually it's Ditto. Surprise! I got you. Look at this Ditto. That's why it's all malformed and blobbish.
It's still learning.
Yeah, it's just got the little bits flobbing off. Behold! Ditto!
This is a beautiful Ditto.
Should I shade the ears and stuff like a Ditto has?
You do what you want to do.
Let's put... There we go. That. And a little bit more of that.
Beautiful.
Yeah, Ditto ears. And a little bit on the tail. There we go. Ditto.
Perfect.
Does Ditto have nostrils?
No? I'm gonna say no.
It seems like no. Seems you are correct. Well done. The apprentice has become the master.
I know Pokemon.
Yeah. Right. Should I just draw another one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got space.
Right. You ready for another Pokemon?
Yes, please.
Something that's definitely a Pokemon. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Nope. Almost.
A tall applin. Polywhirl.
I've got a reference picture.
A Jigglypuff seen from above.
Yeah, you got it. I mean, that was the gag I was going for. Maybe now
Was it?
Yeah, that was totally the gag I was going for, but maybe I was basing it on a different Pokemon. Maybe now I'll do the sincere Pokemon.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is not going to be good now. You know what? Let's. If I'm going to do it sincere, let's.
So it's still it's an orb.
Yes. Well, I picked an orb Pokemon
Yeah.
to look like Jigglypuff seen from above.
A round friend. What is that? Is that the like green squishy one? That's like an amoeba.
What? Oh, Reuniclus?
Is that what it's called?
Why is no? It's because I'm upside down. Do you mean the evolved one or the baby one?
The baby one. That's just kind of a round.
Solosis.
Not that then.
It's not Solosis.
I swear it has a face like that.
I'm curious when you'll get it. Right, but then I need a smaller rubber. Can I make the rubber smaller? I knew that. Smaller.
What is this circle in the middle? Is it an egg?
No.
A single execute.
Hey, invisible audience, let us know when you get it.
Oh, it's a beak. Is this a rowlet?
Yeah.
Yeah, that circle is really throwing me for a loop. Ah, Rowlet's such a friend. Were you gonna draw a Rowlet as seen from above?
No, I was gonna draw a Rowlet that looked kind of like a Jigglypuff. I did the nose so big and up high at first because it was gonna be masquerading as Jigglypuff's swirl.
I see.
You
didn't count on me making the joke.
I guess not. I thought you were taking this seriously, even though I'm not. Behold, this is Rowlet.
Yeah, it is.
It's a bird.
Yeah.
It's got a little fluff here that kind of indicates legs.
Okay.
I'm looking at a reference.
Oh, I see. Rowlet's so cute.
Burb.
I love.
Okay. How much time do you reckon we have left?
I think
guest?
we can do one more.
One more? Okay, I've got one more. But I need more space to draw. How should I do that, guest?
Do you want a new layer, or do you want to scoot Rowlet over and make it smaller?
Either
Free
way.
up some space in the middle?
I can do it sure. Help me out here, guest.
Yeah, you look up your reference. You're the very busy and important
Art person.
art person.
I've done art before. Okay. No, that's not a good reference. It's an easier to draw reference, but a less good reference.
I love this pose you had Pikachu doing. Or Ditto, sorry.
It was also based on a reference.
So jaunty.
Screw it. No, it's gotta have that aspect to it. But I don't want to do that. This'll do. This is approximate. Right, no looking.
Okay.
Because you probably can see the reference on my phone over there. Nope, that's too big. Too big. That seems like it's the same size. Also, that line's too long. I looked away for a second.
Taking an outline out approach, I see.
Yes. Also, this is way too big.
Do you want to shrink it?
Yes, I do, and I know how to do that.
Grab that lasso.
I know. I was going to.
Okay.
And then I do this, and then I find the shrinky tool.
You press V.
Well, I maybe want to move it.
Nope.
No, I don't.
You want to press V.
I know I want to press V. Then I want to do the shrinky tool.
Yeah, you can move it.
Fine, then I can move it, and then I can do the shrinky tool a little bit.
Yeah, if you hold shift, it'll keep the right proportions.
Good enough. Maybe a little more. This is a tall friend.
A tall friend?
Tallish. Taller than the other ones.
Is this Machamp?
Maybe.
Machamp has a shape on its head like that.
Let's just do some cheats to make that easier.
I don't think Machamp has claws like that. It has claws like that. Absol?
Well, Absol's on all fours normally.
No, not Absol. Sorry, the other one.
Oh, the other one?
It stands upright. I think it's an ice type. It has a similar vibe.
Bomber Snow?
No, it has a similar vibe to Absol.
An upright ice type with a vibe like
It's got like
Absol.
claws. I think it's an ice type.
Do you know which game it's in?
No.
Do you know any more details about it? Because I genuinely have no idea what you mean.
It must not be this one. If that must not be what you're drawing is the thing.
I'm still curious though.
I'll try to find it. I'll just get a list of ice type Pokemon because there's not very many.
Yeah. Once again, invisible audience, let us know if you guess it before Alex does.
I don't know what this is. This isn't a Pokemon. Looking. Sneasel!
Oh, okay. I guess I kind of get what you mean.
For some reason, Sneasel has a similar vibe to Absol to me.
I kind of see it.
It's literally the Sharp Claw Pokemon.
They're both dark types.
Sure, but this one is also ice.
Yes, Sneasel is an ice type.
And I think it's like the asymmetrical features makes me think that they're similar.
Oh, that's a bit bad. It's okay.
Is this gonna be a Charizard?
No. It's not going to be very good, but...
Is it that crocodile? Sandile?
You're closer.
Does that one stand up, though?
Crocodile and... Crocorock and Crocodile do.
Those are the ones, then.
But that's not what this is.
It's got such a crocodile mouth.
It's crocodilian. More dinosaur-y, though.
Is Crocodilian a Pokemon?
No.
It sounds like a Pokemon name.
It's just the name for crocodiles.
I know. What is this?
It's an eye.
Okay. It's a really shiny eye.
Well, I'm just copying my reference. Oh, then I gotta put in the other nostril.
I don't know what Pokemon this is.
Should I show you my reference?
Okay.
Audience, did you figure it out? Because it's not very good.
It's not a Pokemon.
It's Agumon.
This is Agumon.
Agumon's a Pokemon.
No.
It's my favorite Pokemon.
No.
Yeah. My favourite Pokemon trainer, Tai, has Agumon.
No!
Yeah. Leader of the Pokédestined.
I was making so many, like, leaps of, like, oh, it must be this Pokemon? And, like, you can see, it looks kind of like a crocodile.
Yeah. I mean, it's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur Pokemon. Like, dinosaurs and crocodiles are similar.
Yeah.
I tricked you.
I think you got me.
Did you notice what the day is today? On posting date, not recording date?
What day is it?
It is the April 1st.
Whoa! Oh, so you were tricking me.
Pinch punch, first of the month.
You were doing a trick on me.
A prank of sorts. Well, thank you very much to my invisible audience for watching. And thank you to my guest for guest appearing.
Yeah.
How do I do an outro?